Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Hi, myself Suraj Chodankar, and you are at Skoda Priority Automobiles, Taleigao, Goa. So today we are here at the launch of the 4th Gen Octavia, which is launched today. There are two variants on the vehicle, that is, one is style variant and one is LNK variant. The style variant is priced at $25.99 ex-showroom, and the LNK variant is priced at $28.99 ex-showroom. It will be available in petrol engines, that is 2-liter turbocharged engine, coming to around 190 PS on the same, and will be available in 5 color options. So you can have a look at the vehicle, which is available at Priority Automobiles, Taleigao, Goa. We are open from 9 to 6 every day, apart from Sundays.